waiting for an ice cube. Oh, do you love when mom makes coffee? Oh, big stretches. They're so pretty. Indy. Ins. Always has to have an ice cube. You guys, I'm also going to, if you guys don't know about this company, ooh girl, you gotta try them out. I got raspberry and lemon, or yeah, raspberry. Get it out. So they look like this. They're little, but they're really good. So that's gonna be my breakfast. Okay, you guys, I have a question. So, I don't know if this will pick up very well, but this Barely Jade, walk white, whoops, and husky gray. I want to paint the walls in here. You want to go outside? Her daddy's outside. Daddy's outside. I was thinking this jade one was really pretty, but I kind of like am digging this husky one because obviously the walls in here are orange. I did not pick that out. My boyfriend did when he first moved in here. So we have been thinking about, well, I have been thinking about painting the kitchen. So will you guys help me out? Which one do you like best? It's between the gray and this jade one. They're kind of like a greenish hue. I don't know. I feel like they're more grayish hue. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna be making some lunch. I do have a dentist here at 4 and it is 2:30 about. So I'm gonna be making some avocado toast. Here I have the Delight 45 calorie bread. You can have 2 slices for 2 points. Avocado, I don't know how many points this will be. I always measure it in grams because half of an avocado is like 5 points, but they're all different sizes. So I just always measure in grams. And then you'll need some cucumbers. Cilantro is optional if you don't like that. Don't have everything but the bagel sesame seasoning blend. It's so good. I really like this on my avocado toast. Okay, you guys, so once you measure out your avocado, I have 47 grams here. So it doesn't have to be pretty. Okay, you guys, so this is 5 points. Look how good it looks. I'm so excited. I love avocado toast. And my big tip for anybody who wants avocado toast, if you're doing Weight Watchers, they say you can only have 1/4 of an avocado for 3 points. But my biggest tip is to measure out your avocado. I always use grams. So I had half of an avocado for 3 points. And I used 47 grams. So yeah, you just definitely need to measure. Avocados high in fats, and obviously you do Weight Watchers, you know that it's a low fat, low sugar diet. So If you guys want to give this a try, and if you do try it, let me know. The cucumbers just make it so fresh. Okay guys, I'm going to the dentist. So I probably won't be able to eat for a little while. I'm just getting my teeth cleaned, but I figured I would update you on what I'm doing since it's kind of a what I eat in a day. It's not really a life, like a day in the life, but you know, that's why I ate avocado toast, because avocado keeps me full for a really, really long time, and I wanted to be full. So I will catch you guys in my next food that I eat. I'm thinking I'm gonna have some watermelon. If you didn't notice when I was making my coffee, I had a big thing of watermelon, so I'm gonna cut her up. And that is my work coat. The struggles. That was super hot. Okay, anyways, I'm getting off topic. So I will see you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna go get my teeth cleaned, and yeah, I'll see you in a little bit. You guys, I just got my teeth cleaned. I feel like, I don't know, there's something, I got fluoride, so it's like, oh, I got my little toothbrush bag. Let's see what toothbrush I got. I don't really like it. It's ugly. I'll give it to Jason. It's a boy toothbrush. Some Deep Clean Crest toothpaste. And then I got my next cleaning 6 months from now, a day after my birthday. What are the odds? You guys, I'm so upset. I was gonna go to the gym after the dentist here, because I'm like, well, it's right in town, it's right there, literally. And I forgot my phone. I grabbed my camera instead. So I'm going to go home. I guess I'm gonna wait to go to the gym until later because it's packed right now, getting off of work. My lips are all sticky, so I can't eat anything sticky or crunchy. So I don't know what that means. She said like no carrots. I can't chew gum for like an hour to 2 hours. So I might go home and eat some watermelon. I'm not really hungry, but I want to keep up on my food intake today. So, and my water. Speaking of that, I need to, this big guy today. I've just been filling it up. It's 50 ounces. I've been trying to drink 2 of these. I've been drinking 2 of them. It's so much easier to drink 2 big waters instead of like a ton of little ones, but I even brought my pre-workout and everything. Ugh, I'm so mad. Okay, I'll see you guys when I'm eating my next meal. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna be having a big bowl of watermelon. I literally could eat this whole entire half by myself. I kind of dug into it a little. But yeah, this is 0 points. Watermelon is in season right now, so it's super good. So going to be sipping on my water. Need to drink way more water today. So yeah, I will catch you guys at dinner. Hi guys, excuse my appearance. It is 9 o'clock at night. I'm gonna make dinner. In case you don't know, I work nights, so my eating is a little whack. We're gonna have turkey cheddar dogs. They're like sausage, like look like brats type thing, and it's the same day. I just changed my shirt because I got watermelon juice all over my cute pineapple shirt. But so yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, you guys, so I'm actually gonna make my coleslaw that I had on my Instagram the other day. So if you've seen that and wanted to check it out, I'm gonna make it. So what you need is coleslaw, just any kind that you like, carrots, green onion, I just bought the pre-sliced stuff, cilantro, some sort of tzatziki sauce. This one is 1 point for 2 tablespoons. This time I'm gonna put vinegar in it, and I'm gonna add 2 packets of no-calorie sweetener. You can really use like anything like stevia or whatever you'd like. And then I add salt and pepper. So I'll show you guys how I make this. Okay, so we're gonna do, I'm thinking 3 cups of coleslaw. Let me just see how it looks. Okay, and then we have a 1/2 cup of green onion. Okay, and then about 1/2 cup of carrots. And I added about a tablespoon or 2 of cilantro in there. So this is what you have so far. And then I'm gonna add 6 tablespoons of the tzatziki sauce. All right, so that's about 7 tablespoons. The same tablespoon, I'm gonna add about 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Actually, let's just add 2 because you don't want it to be too much. And then just add your packets of sweetener. And then you're gonna add some salt. This is my pink Himalayan sea salt that I use. And then just some grated black pepper. Okay, and then just use some tongs and mix this all up. Alright, you guys, so we have 4 hot dogs, or I'm sorry, turkey dogs boiling. And then I'm going to be using these buns. These are just the Great Value white hot dog buns from Walmart. So for 1 bun, it's 3 points. And then 2 hot dogs is 7. 1 hot dog is 3. So I'm going to have 2 hot dogs, 1 on a bun, and then 1 on the side. So, because I'm not a huge fan of the bun anyways, but I just wanted to have 1 with the bun. So, and then these are the Johnsonville turkey cheddar smoked sausage that we're having, and I love cheddar brats, so I figured, Indy, what are you doing? I figured that this would be, I hope that these are good. I'll let you guys know if I don't like them, but pretty sure they're gonna be good. Okay, you guys, this is what I'm having for dinner. So I'm having a cup of the coleslaw for 1 point, cup of carrot, or 1/2 cup of corn for 0, 2 hot dogs for 7, and 1 bun for 3. And then sugar-free ketchup. I think it's 1 point for 2 tablespoons, but I just counted as 0. So, yeah. Okay, you guys, I'm actually going to be done eating for the night. So I kind of wanted to run through this with you guys on my Weight Watcher app. So I had 21 points today. And I woke up, what time did I wake up? I woke up around 1 because I stay up to like 5 a.m. because I've told you guys before, I work nights. So I started eating around 1 and it is 11. So I'm done eating for the rest of the night. I'm gonna be drinking my water and that's it. So I'm gonna flip this around. Okay, as you can see here, I've eaten 21 points. I have 16 left. I should really eat something else to just get my points, but that's fine. So for breakfast, as you guys seen, I had a smart cake. They don't have the raspberry one in here, or they do, but I'm lazy and I just clicked the chocolate, and my coffee. Then for lunch, I had my avocado toast. For dinner, I had my tzatziki coleslaw, the turkey cheddar dogs, and hot dog bun. And for snack, well, I actually am not having this. So I had watermelon for a snack. You guys, I'm probably, okay. I don't know, I might be done eating. I ate 19 points. I also had a banana. You guys gotta factor in. You guys also have to factor in when you eat 0-point foods. Like I had a banana and watermelon, and like I'm satisfied. My stomach is full. I'm happy. I'm gonna drink more water. I think because I'm gonna be editing a video, I'm actually gonna have a cup or 2 of these. So that's what I'm gonna end my night with. that right there is 5 points. 5 points for 2 cups. So I'm probably gonna have like a cup or 2 just while I edit this video for you guys. But yeah, if you guys like what I eat in a day, please give it a thumbs up. I hope that this can help you out. I know that it can be really hard to know what to eat, and I'm on here just showing you my journey. This is what's been working for me. A lot of people would be like, why are you eating a hot dog on a bun, like you're trying to lose weight? But as you've seen, it was 7 points and then 3 for the bun. So I fit it into my day. I still have a lot of points left over, and that's the glory of Weight Watchers. So don't think that you have to cut out what you love. Just count it, and that's what I do. So like I said, I'm gonna eat that popcorn, edit this video, and I will catch you guys on my next one.